Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share what I plan to use in September for my kits. This month is going to be a little different because I'm really trying to pull things out of my stash and see what I can manage to use up. So we're going to have some kind of like weird things compared to what we usually have. I also didn't print any new kits, so that's also a little bit unusual. There's 4 weeks that are predominantly in September, and the first of those weeks is September 2nd through the 8th. So September 2nd is Labor Day here in the US, but I use a patriotic kit for the week previous since most of the weekend falls into that previous week. And so for this week, this is the kind of second half of the Paralympics. And so I wanted to use something themed there. I have this set of full boxes from B&R Paper Crafts called Greek, and it has kind of like an amphitheater, some statues, some warriors, lots of things in gold, stuff like that. So I thought maybe I would use this for this week because it does kind of go with the theme of the Paralympics or the Olympics, either, both. So I thought I would use this. And then just to pull out to help with this, I did pull a few leftovers. I have these leftovers from what must be kind of like a spooky Halloween kit. Not totally sure, but from Lovely Planner Blog. And then I also have this set, which is probably some sort of fall something from Lovely Planner Blog, but I thought the colors kind of went. And then I also pulled these few fall boxes from CDB Planner Prints. Not really sure what kit this was beyond it being a fall kit, but I thought these might be fun to pull out as well. So that'll cover the first week. The second week is September 9th through the 15th. For this week, I wanted to use something that had kind of back to school vibes because I thought that that would be a fun thing to do since September is definitely kind of back to school season. So I have these leftovers. This is the kit Hogwarts from Chasing Chels. I've been having this in my stash for a very long time. Obviously have very complicated feelings about Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, stuff like that, but I really like the back to school vibes. So I have this kind of extra one with some girls and a couple boxes. And then there's one full box and some functional stuff here, a bunch of check boxes and some headers, some more functional stuff, which of course goes over basically the same days. So I won't be able to, in fact, exactly the same day. So I won't be able to use the dates, but that's fine. More headers, little things. 2 more full boxes, some functional, well, some like deco kinds of things, some other headers and stuff like that. And then this has some washi, some glitter headers, some icons. And then I also pulled out some more leftovers. So this is some extra leftovers. So this kit comes in kind of like the Ravenclaw colors, which has the blue. So these are the extra girls if you wanted someone with different color hair than what was already in the kit. But there are also the other houses. So I guess this one would be Slytherin. But I thought I would pull these in as well since I'm not really attached to it being a certain house. I do think Ravenclaw I probably most associate with, but I thought it would be fun to kind of pull in a little bit of the green and stuff like that as well into this set. And then I do have a few leftovers from the Ravenclaw kit as well. I have these couple of full boxes and some things down here, and then some kind of functional stuff over here. And these colors I think go pretty well. So I'm probably just going to use all of this stuff in some combination for this particular week. The third week is September 16th through the 22nd. This week is going to be a lot. In my personal life, there's just a lot going on. Got some contractors, got some medical stuff, lots of things going on. Anyway, but I thought I would use this leftovers from B&R Paper Crafts. It's called Camping. I thought it would be fun for this week with like the fall vibes, and also hopefully I can be a happy camper. We'll see how that goes. So these are almost full boxes, but they're actually washi strips. If you've ever seen me use a leftover of a deluxe set before, I tend to turn these into boxes. So very possible I'll do that as well. I have 4 full boxes here and some kind of functional stuff. Lots of boxes, glitter headers, little things, some more functional stuff, even more functional stuff. 1 more full box over here. this half box here, and some like tiny strips, full box checklists, and that's kind of what this kit looks like right now. So I guess I'll put it on this page, probably the most helpful, but I should be able to work something together that's like 5 full boxes plus some smaller ones, so I think I can make it work for the week. And then the final week of the month is September 23rd through the 29th. I just got this Happy Planner sticker book, and I thought this would be really fun to use for this week because I feel like it has a bit of fall vibes without being super fall-ish. So this one's called Shibori, and it does have like copper foiling, which is unusual, but I think it's pretty. So it's kind of these blue, white kind of patterns. Got some functional things. These are month width boxes, but could still be used. Some double boxes and some tiny dots. More functional stuff, some washi strips, functional boxes, and these kind of sunburst flowers. More functional stuff. I think these might be monthly width as well. These are circles in this pattern that says things like good times, reminder, stuff like that. Some double boxes. I really like this one that's very coppery, and some kind of functional little arrows. Some headers and flags, I guess. Lists and stuff. Some also flags. More of these long skinny things, whatever they are. Some more of these little flag pointer things. Let's see. More double box checklists. More washi strips. More full boxes. Some kind of double headers and single headers and a bunch of flags. More of these functional things. More of these ones. These are not foiled in this set. More full boxes and some functional stuff and some strips. Some long skinny, kind of like double boxes, but skinny. These are like curved boxes. So they have like a header in the floral pattern and then a little bit of white. Some more of these checklists. Some more double boxes, and these flags are really pretty with these kind of like Victorian floral prints. This has like plan, lunch, due date, things like that. Some more of these shape, I guess we'll call them flags. And then that's the sticker book. So I think I should have plenty in here to be able to put together something interesting. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna make this work because it is definitely very different than my usual planning style. But I think I'm gonna make it work and it'll be interesting whatever it turns out. So this is what we're looking at for the 4 weeks of September in my planner. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which of these kits you're most excited to see me use. Alternatively, let me know what kit you're most excited to use in September. I would love to hear about that as well. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads using all these kits as well as the other kits, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.